I actually forgot how light is my bike. If the setup just like that and my camera back, it feels so good actually. I cannot believe I forgot my drone. I'm actually a bit freaked out when I try to park in here. Look at this. It just steep just all the way there. Yeah, I think you guys can see from the video. I was trying to go up there, but it's too steep and too risky. If I fell, yeah, I can't. It keep me just to think about it is freaking me out. So nah, I'm not doing that. But I bet maybe if I take a drone shot and go up, it will be nice. One thing I've realized is that it's fun to meet new people and ride together. But I never thought I'd be this excited to explore on my own again. No schedule, just riding whenever I want and stopping whenever I feel like it. If you ever heard the phrase, getting used to being alone is dangerous, well, I think it's true. Because once you do, the freedom becomes addictive. I'm still exploring this whole freedom thing. To be honest, I'm still not sure if I truly enjoy it or not. Freedom can be lonely sometimes too. So I guess it's all about finding the right balance. Having good company every now and then makes the journey even better. But getting used to travel alone is also a good thing, because it means you don't have to depend on anyone. If you want to go somewhere, you just go. So in this video, I'm going to explore some of the places people recommended to me. The first stop is a place I failed to reach the day before, called Piarakuku Hills. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the next stop now. To the place I fly my drone, but I still couldn't see the most beautiful road in Sumba that people posted on the social media. So I'm gonna check that side to see if it's there. People say this is one of the most beautiful roads in Indonesia. And honestly, I can see why. It's not just the endless hills or the perfect curves. It's the feeling of not knowing what's waiting around the next corner. Every turn makes you want to keep riding just a little further. And I guess that's why I ended up riding until sunset.
Alright guys, I try to get as much shot as I can. Look at this. Now I'm just relaxed, enjoying the rest of the sunset. Still people riding around. Yoo-hoo! Alright, that's it. Just gonna ride home. I pretty much used up all my drone shot. I didn't fly FPV, but yeah, what can I do? Now I just wanna go home, get some dinner first, and check out the footage.
I know I mentioned in the last video that this would be the final episode, but once I start editing, I realized there was just too much to share, so I've decided to split it into a few shorter episodes instead. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I will see you in the next one. As always, take care and peace out.